looking at the quarter behind us, I think there are some great stuff and there are some more challenging stuff. I think we can see still that some of the markets are being affected from the COVID, especially, I mean, oil and gas industries. Still, we see it a little bit challenging within the automotive. On the other hand, we see also some good movement in some of our business, and maybe the most highlight in the report this time is that we see profit going up, and the one sticking out is actually our electrification business that made 16.2%. That was great news for us.
Yeah, I was going to bring on to that actually as well. I can't move, Bjorn, for a panel that always says to me the way out of this is climate change initiatives, electrification, digitization as well. So in terms of the key thematics which are shaping our time, Bjorn, how well suited is ABB with its portfolio of assets?
You know, I think it's the legacy of the company. We've been working with sustainable questions as long as I can remember, and I'm not young anymore. And I think if we look at the well we are positioned, you know, electrification, motion, which is actually a type of electrification, moving electricity into movement, automation are the other area. And I think both of these areas are important to drive sustainability going forward.
Your background is obviously in the manufacturing industry. Bjorn, is that where you're going to take ABB increasingly, the focus on industrial automation at a manufacturing level?
You know, I think moving forward, I think we're going to be trying to participate and support our customers when the whole electrification boom. That is an important. Automation is, of course, another area which has actually been intensified in relation to the coronavirus. So automation is becoming more important going forward. And I think in both of these areas, that's where we need to drive performance.
One of your predecessors, who we will not name, but we used to talk to on a regular basis, used to get very excited about the potential for the robotics business in particular. And yet it seems consistently, at a margin level at least, it somewhat disappoints. What do you need to do to the robotics operation to basically kick it up another gear?
Yeah. As you know, the robot business was actually affected even before the corona, and big volumes in the robot goes into the automotive industry, and the challenges there we know, of course. So that has, of course, pulled down some of the volumes, which, of course, where we need to adjust our suit in relation to that, making sure that we are fit and tight. What positive, I think, during this quarter was that we saw a good kickback in orders during this quarter, which is a good start. Then, of course, we need to look at the quality of the revenues, make sure that we focus on these new segments like logistics, which is actually booming at the moment. We also have these consumer electronics, which is a huge market in the North American and the general industry, where we see somewhat better margins.